Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the CBG Swing High-Low MA. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the CBG Swing High-Low MA. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 315 indicators, and out of those 315 indicators, 128 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 128 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the CBG Swing High-Low MA. You can see it here on screen. So previously we have actually tested one that was called the CBG. That I think maybe it had more to it than that. But anyways, this is another version of the CBG. It is its Swing High-Low MA. Again, you can see it here on screen, and the setup on this is relatively easy. There seems like there is a whole lot actually taking place, but really what we are looking for is the coloration of the bars. And so you can see here on screen where my mouse is that a green bar appears over here. That would be a signal to go long. And you can see over here a red bar appears here. That's a signal to go short. In between are these orange bars, and that's when we should stay out of the market or not be entering into a trade. And so that's basically how we will be testing it today. Let's go ahead and get on with it and see what we can get out of this indicator. All right, so we get our first signal. It's going to be this one right here. That is a short signal, so price came back in here to orange, then dropped down into red bars, and that would be an entry to the short side and got us to take profit rather easily. Not much fuss there at all. All right, over here on this side, we pick up a long right there. Now, the reason why I don't like bar coloring indicators So I need to be able to see what color this bar was here. So right after we get this big green bar right here, we get a big red bar right there. And I do believe that that would have stopped us out. Yes, it did. So unfortunately, that one right there would be a losing trade. So let's go ahead and continue to play it on here. Pick up a long signal right there. This one does get us to take profit pretty easily. Continue on with it here. So it drops down to orange for a moment, then pops its way back up there for another green long trade. And that one gets us to take profit as well. Continue on with it here. Be real mindful of it because sometimes it's hard to see these, but it does appear. Yep, right there on that one. We were able to pick up long signal right there. That one, though, unfortunately, would have stopped us out. Let's go ahead and continue to play this forward. And we pick up a short right there on that one. And that one also bumped back up rather quickly, stopping us out. Then we pick up a short right there. Let's measure this one out. Think it got us to take profit. Yep, 50 pips is what we were looking for. Got us to in the 60s. So that short trade right there would have got us to take profits. And over here, we actually picked up another short here for just a moment. That one would have gotten us stopped out, though. Then a long right here. Right there. That one getting us to take profit. We're close to the end of the year. Let's see if we pick up another one. And we do not. So, before we calculate these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. To do that, you just join our Patreon. You can find a link to it down below in the description. On our Patreon only channel, we're posting a lot of great, really advanced information in there. We also have things like if you are exclusively or a big fan of using the MT platforms, then we have a rather lengthy list of the winning indicators that we have discovered here on TradingView for the MT platforms that we offer in the Patreon only channel. As well as that, our admins and some of the other members are posting regular trade ideas, market analysis almost on a daily basis, posting some really, really good stuff. That is the type of market conditions that you should be looking for if you're trying to dial in a trading strategy. The analysis that they are putting out, the chart draw-ups that they are doing, that is really what you need to do to kind of keep your or train your eye to look for those ideal market conditions that you should be tweaking a trading system for, or again, if you're just trying to train your eye in general. They're growing small accounts rather nicely, posting regular kind of screenshots of their profits that they are getting from some of these trades. So again, it is a wonderful place to be. The whole group in there is very, very positive, uplifting environment. And so, wonderful place. Like I said, even if you are an experienced trader, you just want to be around some like-minded people, bounce some ideas off and stuff like that. Definitely a place you should be a part of. So, all right, back to our indicator here at hand. Let's back it up here just a little bit. Get everything scrunched in here nicely. There we go. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 trades, 9 signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that's going to barely miss the 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, not a horrible indicator, but there are some kind of faults that I do notice. I like the way it gives some kind of buffer in between the long trades and the short trades. Unlike most moving averages where you would use that as a baseline and you can get it chopped in and out of the market rather quickly. This gave, some middle ground there, some range filter to help you kind of jump in at the ideal points. But the problem is a lot of the times it was giving or waiting way too long before it gave the signals. And so definitely would need to be a little bit quicker so that way we're not jumping in really close to the end of the trends that we are looking at. So that's just kind of my first glance analysis after testing it. And so, yeah, unfortunately, this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.